In macOS 15, Apple had added a recovered album to the stock Photos app to let you easily recover photos and videos that have been lost or damaged. In other words, the Apple Photos app has made it more straightforward to restore the missing photos and videos on your Mac. That's it. Let me show you how it's done the right way. To get started, you have to open the Photos app on your Mac running macOS 15 or later. Then head over to the Utilities section and then select the recovered album. After that, make sure to authenticate using your Touch ID. Here you also see all the images and videos that are missing in the photo library. Now you can click on a photo or video that you want to recover, or use the select option at the top to select multiple items. After that, you can permanently delete or restore your photos or videos as per your needs, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily restore the lost or missing images or videos on your Mac. It's worth pointing out that the recovered album appears only if there are pictures or videos on your device that are not part of the photo library. For those unfamiliar, photos and videos can be lost due to database corruption issues. Moreover, this issue also occurs when images captured with a camera that did not properly get saved to the photos library or third-party apps that are provided with access to manage our photo library. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.